The last two questions on these assessments are involve SUVOT. And the question is, do you SUVOT first and then F equals MA, or do you F equals MA and then SUVOT, right? Now, notice that I'm asking for a SUVOT thing here. So I do believe that that means, if we ask for a SUVOT thing, that means that we're going to SUVOT last, I think, right? Okay, because from rest is our initial velocity. Whoa, that was a U. Okay, this is our displacement, right? And then we want to know time. So we want to figure out a formula for that, right? Okay, so SUVOT is going to happen later. Here we have a tension in the rope, right? And so, yeah, okay, so I think the first thing to do is solve F equals MA first, right? So here's 1.60 kilograms. 23.5 newtons is up. The force down is the force of gravity, right? So M times G, so 1.6 times 9.81 is 15.696. So we set up our little expression, 23.5 minus 15.696, and then that equals 1.6 times A. Okay, so let's do that. Parentheses 23.5 minus 15.696, right parenthesis divided by 1.6. The acceleration is positive 4.8775. Now, we're going to use that positive, this whole number, we're going to use that in our SUVOT now. We'll cross the little membrane here, right? Okay, so now don't forget your SUVOT. Use an actual formula, okay, when you do your SUVOT. We just figured out that our acceleration is positive 4.8775. Okay, and then it's from rest, so our initial velocity is 0, our displacement is 3.40. We want to know time, so we'll use no v, right? And we happen to have a no v, so we're set, right? I think it's this guy, right? S equals u t plus 1/2 at squared, right? So, and is this an upward? Yeah, move upward. So that's a positive 3.4, right? So we have 3.40 equals 0 plus 1/2 4.8775 times t squared, right? So now we got to do maths. What are we going to go? I'm going to go 3.4 times 2 divided by 4.8775, which is, for me, just second answer, right? Is that's t squared. So t squared is like 1.39, and then I'm going to square root that. And I get 1.1807. There you go. So this is a F equals MA, then SUVOT, right? The other clue that you can't start with SUVOT is that we only have two SUVOT things, right? And we're asking for a third thing, right?